Okay.
Yeah.
Action.
Yeah.
So you want to just get a shot of me opening this up or something? You good? 2.5. Okay, there she is.
I would just drill that bitch. I didn't even mark it.
Didn't you mark it?
I just held it and fucking went for it.
Little things, you know.
You're a little bit better with the strap wrench than I am. Common old strapper.
So there's like 30 different bottom bracket tool standards, and there's like that's like how big the tool is that splines into this. And it used to be really easy because there used to be like 2, and then like 5 years ago the industry just like went wild and just decided to not care, and every single company made their own, and there's just too many different ones to have them all unless you like have a bike shop.
Yeah, not a bike shop.
That's where the strap wrench comes in.
That's where the strap wrench comes in. I wish we would have brought a bunch of tools up from a syndicate just to make it like a proper...
Well, it's like we've never done a bike build video. We should have practiced. Pretty much, yeah.
A little farther out, right there?
Yeah, mine looks like it lines up like kind of with the inside.
Maybe like right there?
Yeah, because your cable's going to come down, go around this a little bit.
It's one of my favorite tools that you don't ever get to use on bikes.
Yeah.
So things are going well.
These are going well.
Just as planned.
Just planned, you know. Hey, where you going, dog?
I'll put on the frame so you can use 2 hands on the drill.
Okay.
It doesn't throw shavings like aluminum.
I mean, I'm gonna be really impressed if you guys fit all of this shit in your truck. I'm telling you that.
Adam said run. Yes, the dropper will come down that way.
Yeah, because then it'll cross
And
over
then
the
you
head tube.
run your derailleur underneath the bottom bracket here. Into that.
Underneath, okay. See, it always seems like a lot of a loop underneath here, but that's why I usually like to run it over the bottom bracket. I wonder if we should have ran that in there too. Maybe we will. Let me cut it.
The brake guy here?
Yeah.
Yeah, fits in there perfect. You just can't see in here.
That's pretty good. I think it looks really nice too. It's a grower, isn't it? Well, like pushing this post. It's almost like a thing right there.
You roll this guy down, make it point straight down.
Oh yeah, there you go. So smart.
Definitely need some room to drill under that.
I mean, I don't know how much this moves either. Might be overdoing it, you know.
Yeah. There's a lot of travel. That's shocking getting that small.
Yeah. That looks good. Okay.
Max's fork out, and then he's like, make sure the chicken is already
What's that, Robin? Hey, Day. This is gonna need like some. How's it going, bud?
Not fucking close. They fucking forgot so much shit for Cody's bag. Reeb.
Is your new one?
Mm-hmm.
I like the matte.
Alright.
Like slimness of it.
Me too. I think it's a really, really good looking frame.